Hey, what's going on everybody? I know it's been nearly 2 weeks since I've uploaded, so this is going to be a really quick update video on where I've been the last 2 weeks, because it's been a busy 2 weeks. So all of last week I was at a college's high school program for like a summer honors institute thing. It was fun, and I made daily update videos, so I had no time to edit, and if I wasn't like editing, I was sleeping, because it was every single day I was editing. Over the weekend, I recorded a festival in Newcastle, a fireworks festival, so that was fun. And then Monday, I had a longtime friend come in from out of town, so I spent most of the day with him. Tuesday, had my orientation for college. Wednesday, I was just really busy, I can't remember why. And that leaves me with today, which is the time I'm currently shooting this video, Thursday, which is actually my birthday, so that's why it's been, the videos have been really sparse recently, because I haven't had any time at all to make videos. So that sucks. I hope you enjoyed this really short update video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. I know there's really no reason to enjoy an update video, but I just kind of figured I need to get something out because it's been 2 weeks. So go check out my other content stuff, like right about here-ish, there will be the button. So go check out the button. It's a little short film I put a lot of effort into, and I thought it came out pretty well. Didn't come out great, but came out okay. So please check that out. Thank you, and goodbye.